DeWALT drill bit set features a good range of selections all the way from 1/16 inch to a 1/2 inch. Let me show you how fast it drills. This is the first gear. Let's go to the second gear. Pretty well made and easy to just grab them. The spacing in the case is great and it's not really difficult to pull out each bit. I also have the driving bits selection. I especially appreciate the case design. You see there are two notches there, so you can interlock this case with the existing storage solution, like so. Takes a little bit of practice to align these slots, but these are pretty solid. Yeah, such a great case to carry around in the toolbox, and don't take much space. If you want to use them, just open it like so. But the button part, if you want to access that thing, then you have to take out these ones on top. So anyway, so coming back to the drill bits, just a few more details. Bit set is not huge, but again, it features most commonly used and also interlocks securely with the other storage case. Let's take a look. 1/4 inch sockets also included, and a 5/16 inch and an extension cord. Extension socket. PH1 and PH2. PH1 is right here. PH2, S, and Torx drives, T series, and bits lined up here. Very easy to use. You just flip them up, like instruction here, and pull them out, or insert them back and push them down to lock in place. Yeah, it's all the same. And this one is an extension. And it's very, very tight. It takes a lot of strength to push it in, like this. I already use a PH1 here. You can also store it like so. I believe it will also stack up with the bit set I have here. Very solid. Great storage solution. Also got this case. I use them to store the battery packs, the chargers of my remote controlled cars. And this is a multi-tool from Leatherman, a little scissors. yeah, I love this set. So easy to use, and stack them up to keep them in storage or in my toolbox. Remember to line them up here too, so it will not flip up. It's important to remember that. Here, this way. This one, this hook goes in there. Okay. And I use it to store my RC car and drone related battery packs. The more battery packs for the boat and the drone. Also got screwdrivers, multi-tools from Leatherman. Okay, I also have space for a foldable utility knife from Gerber. So yeah, extremely versatile, and you can you know, swap out these dividers and create a larger space for all these little parts. So I never lose my charger and batteries for my RC cars. Excellent purchase, highly recommended.